In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access ExpressVPN keys, also known as activation codes. If you're setting up ExpressVPN on a new computer, streaming device, or router, you'll usually be asked for an activation code. This code is different from the temporary 6-digit verification code used during sign-in. The activation code is the longer code that confirms your subscription and lets you sign in to the app without entering your account password on every device. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official ExpressVPN sign-in page. Once the page loads, enter the email address and password connected to your subscription, then click Sign In. After that, ExpressVPN will ask you to complete a security check. Open your inbox in another tab, find the message containing the 6-digit verification code, copy it, and paste it into the verification field on the sign-in page. Then click Continue to access your dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main ExpressVPN dashboard. This is where you can find the code you need. On the left-hand sidebar, click ExpressVPN, then choose VPN. In some layouts, you may also see a section in the center of the page called Set up your devices, which leads to the same place. Look for the field labeled activation code. You'll see a long string of letters and numbers there. Instead of trying to type it manually, click the copy icon next to the code. That will place it directly on your clipboard, which makes the next part much faster and helps avoid mistakes. It's a good idea to keep that browser tab open while you continue. Now open the ExpressVPN app on the device you want to activate. When the app launches, click Sign In. You'll then see different sign-in options. So choose Sign In with activation code. Click inside the empty field and paste the code you just copied. You can do that by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the usual keyboard shortcut for your device. Once the code is in place, click Continue or Sign In and wait for the app to verify it. After the device is activated, choose a server location and press the main power button in the app. You want to confirm that the connection becomes active and shows the protected status. Then return to the browser dashboard and review the list of active devices to make sure your new device appears as expected and that there are no unfamiliar connections. If you ever think your activation code may have been exposed, contact ExpressVPN support so they can help secure your account.